We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the Steve Spangler Science Extreme Geyser Tube. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Steve Spangler Science Extreme Geyser Tube is a science kit designed to transform a simple soda and candy experiment into a memorable STEM learning experience. This kit includes a specially engineered geyser tube, Mentos candies, and 3 unique spray caps that allow users to experiment with different eruption styles. The caps include a turbo cap for a runaway flow, a triple cap for a fountain effect, and a soaker cap for a fan-like spray. The only thing you need to provide is a 2-liter bottle of soda, preferably diet soda to avoid sticky residue. The kit is reusable, and the instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for children as young as 6 years old with adult supervision. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to make a classic science demonstration accessible, safe, and exciting for kids and adults alike. The geyser tube is designed with a double pull pin and a tight seal, ensuring a controlled and impressive eruption that can reach up to 30 feet in the air. This design minimizes the risk of accidental spills and allows for precise timing, making the experiment both fun and educational. The inclusion of multiple spray caps adds a layer of creativity and experimentation, encouraging users to observe and compare the different results each cap produces. This not only entertains, but also fosters critical thinking and curiosity about the underlying chemistry. Users consistently praise the kit for its ease of use and the excitement it generates. Many reviewers highlight how the setup is straightforward, with the included Mentos candies being a convenient touch. The anticipation builds as the Mentos are loaded into the tube and the trigger mechanism is prepared. Once released, the reaction is dramatic, often exceeding expectations with the height and force of the soda geyser. This makes it an ideal activity for backyard fun, classroom demonstrations, and even parties. Parents and teachers note that children are captivated by the spectacle and eager to repeat the experiment, making it a valuable tool for hands-on learning. The educational value of the Steve Spangler Science Extreme Geyser Tube is a recurring theme in user feedback. The kit not only demonstrates a visually impressive chemical reaction, but also serves as a springboard for discussions about gas release, nucleation, and pressure. It encourages children to hypothesize, test, and observe, aligning well with STEM and STEAM learning objectives. The product is recommended for both school and home environments, and it has proven to be a hit at birthday parties and group activities. The ability to reuse the kit and try different soda brands or cap styles extends its longevity and educational potential. Despite its many strengths, some users express concerns about the product's price relative to its materials. The geyser tube is made primarily of plastic, and a few reviewers feel that the cost is high for what is essentially a simple device. However, most agree that the unique design and reliable performance justify the investment, especially given the lack of comparable alternatives on the market. The kit's robust construction and safety features contribute to its appeal, ensuring that users can enjoy the experiment multiple times without issues. Another point of feedback involves the duration of the geyser effect. While the eruption is brief, it is intense and memorable. Some parents suggest purchasing extra bottles of soda to allow children to repeat the experiment several times in one session. The kit's reusability and the ability to swap out caps for different effects help maintain interest and engagement. For younger children, adult assistance may be required to operate the release mechanism, but older kids can typically manage the setup independently after some initial guidance. The Steve Spangler Science Extreme Geyser Tube excels in combining fun and education. It transforms a familiar experiment into a structured and safe activity that encourages exploration and learning. The kit's design ensures consistent results, and the variety of spray caps adds an element of customization that keeps users coming back for more. The product is well suited for group settings, making it a popular choice for classrooms, science fairs, and family gatherings. Its ability to spark curiosity and excitement about science is one of its greatest strengths. In terms of performance, the geyser tube consistently delivers impressive eruptions that delight users of all ages. The trigger mechanism is intuitive, and the tight seal ensures that the reaction is both powerful and controlled. The kit is lightweight and portable, with dimensions of 10 by 2 by 2.7 inches and a weight of just over 1 ounce. It is recommended for children aged 6 and up, and its popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings and strong sales rank in educational science kits. The overall impression from users is overwhelmingly positive. The Steve Spangler Science Extreme Geyser Tube is praised for its ability to make science accessible and exciting, its reliable performance, and its educational value. While some may find the price higher than expected for a plastic device, the unique design, safety features, and reusability make it a worthwhile investment for families and educators. The kit's ability to create lasting memories and inspire a love of science is frequently mentioned in reviews. If you are considering this product, it is important to note that you will need to supply your own 2-liter bottles of soda, and diet soda is recommended to minimize cleanup. The kit includes everything else needed for the experiment, including Mentos candies and multiple spray caps. The instructions are clear and the setup is quick, allowing you to focus on the fun and learning aspects of the activity. The product is made in the USA and has been available since December 2019, earning a reputation for quality and educational impact. In summary, the Steve Spangler Science Extreme Geyser Tube stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to combine entertainment and education in a hands-on science experiment. Its thoughtful design, ease of use, and ability to engage children and adults make it a valuable addition to any home, classroom, or party. The kit encourages curiosity, experimentation, and learning, all while delivering a memorable and thrilling experience. If you have used this product, please share your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and your support helps the channel continue to provide detailed and helpful reviews. Based on extensive user feedback, the Steve Spangler Science Extreme Geyser Tube is highly recommended for anyone seeking a fun, safe, and educational science kit that delivers both excitement and learning.